Okay, welcome back. This is GI Ron. This is box 3, Topps Inception football break. It's Monday, October 10th, 4:41 p.m. This is the box 3. As of this break, there was one more team that needed to be paid. Hopefully by the time I'm done and get this posted to YouTube, they'll have paid. Otherwise, I'll send this out via private link to everyone, and then as soon as the last one pays, I'll send it to them. All right, let's do this break, or just drop my scissors. I want to thank everybody for being a part of this break, and I want to just let you know I'm trying to get some more Inception football. I'm also trying to get some more Finest and maybe some baseball breaks coming up too. I'm trying to get a hold of a case of Topps Triple Threads baseball. I'm also going to get some Triple Threads football as well. So, all right, here we go. First card, Santonio Holmes, the Jets. Jared Allen, Vikings. James Starks, Packers. It's 185 to 209. See if you can see that. 185 to 209. Red, Ray Lewis, Ravens, numbered 13 to 25. Ray Lewis. Edmund Gates, autograph patch, Miami Dolphins, number 21 to 50. Nice patch there. Nice signature. Edmund Gates. Jordan Todman, Chargers. That one is 183 out of 900. Back that up. Big old autograph there, all over the place. And the last one, oh, nice patch, nice patch. Stevan Ridley, Patriots running back. Nice, almost in the top there you can see another color, so I'd call it a 4-color. See there, break up at the corner, but that's a nice red, white, big white, and that is 12 of 150. No, that means 12 of 158. You get that 8 in there. But that's a nice little patch there. So that's the box, everybody. Thank you again. And like I say, keep an eye out for GI Ron on eBay. We got some more box breaks coming up.